OpenSky card activation usually fails because the card details were entered incorrectly, the activation process was not completed, or there is an issue with the account connected to the card. By the end, you'll know the steps to check when your OpenSky card will not activate and what to do if the problem continues. Start by checking that you are using the correct OpenSky card information during activation. Incorrect card numbers, expiration dates, or security details can prevent the activation from completing. Use the official OpenSky activation process and carefully enter each piece of information exactly as shown on your card. Check for typing mistakes before submitting the activation request. If your card details are correct, check your OpenSky account status. Activation problems can happen when account information is incomplete or when there are pending steps that need to be finished. Log in to your OpenSky account and review any notifications, messages, or account requirements. Complete any requested actions before trying activation again. If you are activating a new card, make sure you are using the current card information. A replaced or previously reported card may not activate if you are entering details from an older card. You can also try using a different browser or device if the activation page is not loading correctly. Technical issues with the page or browser settings can interrupt the process. Clear your browser cache or reopen the activation page and try again. Make sure your internet connection is working properly during the activation process. If the card still will not activate, contact OpenSky customer support. Provide your card details only through official support channels and explain the exact issue you see during activation. Include any error message when you attempted activation and whether the problem happens before or after submitting your information. This helps support identify the cause faster. Avoid repeatedly entering incorrect information because it can prevent the activation process from completing. The fastest fixes are checking your card details, confirming your account information, retrying the official activation process, and contacting OpenSky support if the issue remains. To recap, an OpenSky card that will not activate is usually related to incorrect information, incomplete account steps, or a technical problem during activation. Verify your details, check your account, and follow the activation instructions carefully. Your next step is to start the activation process again and carefully review every detail you enter. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other credit card troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.